Oh, Sarah Henley. Sarah Henley. What's up?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Oh my God, I haven't seen you in
Yeah, I
so
know.
long.
I saw McKenna earlier.
Did you
go
go say hi to Kathy?
I'm going to.
Okay,
yeah,
good.
but I was gonna say hi to I wanted to meet up with Jake and Lance. Oh, the squad's here! Whoa, we got Lance, we got Omar, we got Jake. Friday. So I have 2 clients right now that are looking in Brea, California. They're looking for 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. One's max price is up to $650 and the others is up to $750. So I have been looking for them for quite some time. Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here in Brea, California. Other than receiving referrals, I love to door knock simply because I get to choose a neighborhood that I get to work in. And, you know, just neighborhoods that inspire me. Also, I get to meet the people that are in the neighborhoods that my clients are looking in. So I just wanted to put that energy out there. So if you know anybody that's looking to sell, please let me know. Look at it this way, and this is something that I've read and something I've kind of really grown accustomed to in terms of mindset is may you lose some clients telling people that you love hip-hop, maybe. However, like you sharing that, you're gonna connect deeper with people, like clients who love hip-hop too. Be your unapologetically weird self, right? Because like I said, you're gonna connect with people, you're gonna feel more free.
I was gonna tell a story about like Cambodian New Year, which has just happened.
Yes.
Do you guys know each other? Saram?
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah. We're just having a conversation right now on social media stuff. 2 days later. Kelly Tapp's producing some videos right now.
This is pretty like, I can't believe it's happening.
All right, how was that?
It was good. Thank you, Josh. He's so helpful.
Woo! Check it. Play it real quick. So I've been coming across tons of flowers today. So check this out. I call this the dancing flower exhibit. So all of the flowers here on these streets are beautiful. Listen to this bird singing. I think he's saying work with Josh if you need help with real estate. So we got some boots in the ground here in Bixby Knolls, but let's take a look from the sky by the beach. Hey guys, we're here at St. Regis, right off of Ocean Boulevard. This property is a beachfront condo complex. It's 7 stories tall. They have a solarium. Unfortunately, it's not operable right now. However, it is beachfront and it's a studio. It's 430 square feet. Let's check it out. So what's great about this unit is it has a Murphy bed. Voila! Don't mind the leopard print, but it folds into this closet and it conserves a lot of space. Now we're in the basement area where you can store your bikes. Right there. You have washers and dryers. There's 4 washers and 4 dryers for the building. Like I said, this is a beachfront building. Let me show you what this looks like from the sky. There you have it. That's what it looks like from the sky. It's a beautiful property, right? Oh.